everybody, welcome back to Epic Beauty Fail. I'm Jessica, and on today's video I'm going to be unboxing not one but two Target Beauty boxes. So they did have two this month in July of 2018. I'm not sure which one's which because they came in the same box, which is actually right here. They actually just came one on top of the other in this one box. So I'm not sure which one is which. They did have two. I ordered both and I figured I would open them both with you today. So this one I'm going to open first because there's actually something like poking out of the box right here. I'm not sure what it is, so I'm very curious. So I'm going to open this one first. I'm going to put the other one aside and go ahead and open this up and see what we've got. So, all right. Whoa, things are falling. All right, so this one, the theme is Hello Rejuvenation. It says, well, let me open the paper first, and then I'll read the card to you. All right, so this is very full. Yeah. All right. Go ahead and read the card. It says, the daily grind running you down. Girl, you're not alone. Sometimes all we need is a little pick-me-up. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you feel refreshed and rejuvenated so you can put your best self forward. Try them out if you love them. Check them out on Target.com. There is a coupon, like always, with $3 off, $15 or more for cosmetics, skincare, and hair care. And it has all of the products listed on the card here. So it looks like there is 7 products in here this month in this box. So let's go ahead and get started. Let me get my hair out of the way. All right. I'm going to pull the thing that fell out first. This is from Tresemme. It is the Repair and Protect 7. It looks like it says 7 mask. So this is, looks like a hair mask. Yes, it is. It's a hair mask. So there it is. And the card says, this is the Tresemme Repair and Protect 7 mask, specially formulated with biotin to deeply penetrate hair fiber from within and strengthen breakage and split ends so locks look and feel luscious. It says, hint, the visibly repairs 7 types of hair damage. That's why it's called 7, I guess. From brushing, blow drying, bleaching, coloring, curling, flat ironing, and braiding, giving overworked tresses a restoring boost so you can keep styling. Sounds pretty cool. I will use that. It looks like you might even get like 2 uses out of it, maybe. Yeah. All right, I'm going to pull this one out next. This is from Shea Moisture. I actually like a lot of their products. This is the African Black Soap Bamboo Charcoal Body Scrub with tea tree oil. So here it is. All right. And the write-up for this one, it says, the African Black Soap blended with bamboo charcoal helps draw out dirt from skin, while organic raw shea butter moisturizes and soothes. Soothes. All right. All right. It is sealed, so I am not going to open that. I do appreciate things that have safety seals on it, though. So a body scrub. That sounds pretty cool. All right. Next item. Let's go ahead and pull this big one out right here. This is from Nivea. It's a foaming silk mousse body wash. So here it is. All right. And the card says, this is the Nivea Foaming Silk Mousse Body Wash. Delightfully rich mousse gently cleanses skin with light moisturization for a silky, smooth feel during and after a shower or bath. Scratch and sniff. It actually says scratch and sniff on the side there. It pretty much smells like baby powder almost. I can't really smell anything. I don't know. I think it smells a lot like baby powder. I'm not going to squirt out any because, knowing my luck, if I squirt out any, it's going to go all over the place. All right. This next item is from Up and Up. It is the Ultra Vibrant Whitening Strips, and it's a trial pack. It only has 3 treatments in it. So there's the package. All right. And it says that it whitens teeth in just 3 days. I'm very skeptical of that. You never know. It's the Vibrant Whitening Strips are scientifically designed to remove years of tough stains for a visibly whiter, brighter smile. The tip for this one, for the pearliest whites, use for 30 minutes just once a day for 10 days. Say hello to a long-lasting, sparkly smile. There you go. So you get about a little less than half, about a third of a treatment. All right, what are we going to pull out next? Let's go ahead and pull out this. It's a face mask. So this is from Clean and Clear. It's the Night Relaxing Jelly Eye Sheet Mask. That's pretty neat. I don't know that I've ever seen like a full eye sheet mask. Let me show you. There you can see on the package there that it's actually for like the top half of the face. So it's not just like an under eye gel patch. It's actually like a half a face mask. I've never seen anything like that before. So this says it's the Clean and Clear Jelly Sheet Mask. The cooling hydrogel sheet mask is designed to adhere to skin's contours to help lock in essential nourishing ingredients for a replenished, refreshed glow. The trick here, it says trick instead of tip, formulated with seaweed extract, which maintains skin's natural balance and promotes hydration and anti-aging properties. That sounds fantastic. I'm definitely going to have to use this. There you go. All right, next we'll pull this one out here. This is from Acure, the Brilliantly Brightening Facial Scrub. Here is the packaging. Okay, and this says this is organic sea kelp and lemon peel. Gently exfoliates skin while fresh green clay and Madonna lily draw out impurities to boost and brighten. I gotta see if this is safety sealed. It is. Otherwise, I would smell it because that description is just very interesting. All right, so a facial scrub. And then the last item in here is from Hosk. I never know how to pronounce that. It's the Manoy Coconut Dry Shampoo, the long-lasting oil absorption, free of sulfates and parabens. There you go. Okay. And the card says the Hosk Coconut Dry Shampoo, ultra-fine rice starch, acts quickly to soak up oil, sweat, and odor, so next day hair looks and feels fresh, bouncy, and full of volume. So it says, psst, free of sulfates, parabens, phthalates, gluten, and artificial colors. So I'm going to spray a little bit of this. I don't normally use dry shampoo. Actually, I'm going to spray it on the card. It definitely smells like coconut. Actually, it smells really good. Smells really good. All right, so we got a dry shampoo. I'm sorry, the mask. I'm going to put that in first because that was on the bottom. The dry shampoo, the facial scrub, the body scrub, so body scrub and a facial scrub, the body wash, the whitening strips, and the hair mask. Pretty much you can do your entire bathroom routine almost. This is a pretty good box. It cost me $7. I don't know if I said that already, but it is a $7 box. You get a lot of good little things, and then you get a $3 off coupon. So I'm going to use that. Even if it's just for like toothpaste or something, I will definitely use that. So this box, in essence, cost me $4 because I will use that $3 off coupon. So that's a lot of stuff for $4. All right, we're going to move on to the next box. Let's see what is in this one. So, pull the lid off. All right. The card wants to fall. It says, Hello, Summer Beauty. And there's something in here that is tickling my nose. Let's see what it is. It doesn't look like anything leaked. All right, so there it is. And what does the card say? So this also has a $3 off $15 purchase. So it says, Hello, Summer Beauty. We know it's hot and humid outside, but that doesn't mean you can't look your best. From the perfect frizz-busting hair products to a fast-acting deodorant, we've got you covered. Inside this box, you'll find a few of our faves that'll help you feel your most fab, even during the stickiest months. And it says, try them out if you like them. Check it out on Walmart. All right, what do I want to pull out first? I think I'm going to pull this out first, because I think this might be what I'm smelling. Let's see. That is kind of what I'm smelling. So this is from Cantu. It's shea butter, Cantu shea butter. It's a leave-in conditioning repair cream. So there it is. Okay. And the card says this shea butter and other natural oils work to stop and mend breakage, repair split ends, and add manageability and shine back into strands. There's a tip for best results: towel dry hair, then apply in sections starting at the ends, making your way up to the roots and scalp. So there you go. My leave-in conditioner, I usually prefer to use like a spray and leave-in conditioner just because it's a lot easier for me to apply, but it's okay. All right, this next item here, speaking of leave-in treatment, that is a spray. This is from Shea Moisture. It's the 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration leave-in treatment with coconut milk and acacia Senegal. All right, there's the package. All right, and this says the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil leave-in conditioner. The rich blend of 100% virgin coconut and shea oils, coconut milk, and acacia Senegal rehydrates, detangles, and improves the health of hair. This interests me a lot. I'm going to spray this on the back of this card because I'm probably going to use this. I'll tell you what, I don't know if the camera will pick it up, but when it's sprayed in a circle, leaving the center, like I think you can see it here, leaving the center empty. So that's something to think of. It doesn't have a super strong scent, which I do enjoy. So that's pretty cool. All right. Now that I got it all over my hands. That I like. Okay, what's next? It looks like these two are together. They are. So these are from Palmer's Coconut Oil Formula, Coconut Oil Conditioning Shampoo, and Repairing Conditioner. So there they are. All right. And the card says, looks like they have individual write-ups for both. So the Coconut Oil Formula Shampoo, which is this one right here, the natural coconut, manoi, and vitamin E oils gently cleanse strands and remove buildup without stripping hair of its delicate moisture balance. It says it's free of sulfates and harsh detergents. And then the other one, the conditioner, it says coconut oil and Tahitian manoi deeply hydrate, repair damage, and give tresses a boost of shine for silkier, softer, and easier to manage hair. So that's pretty cool. I see a theme of coconut here. They are safety sealed, so that is fantastic. Okay, moving on to the next item. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this out. These I really like because I use these all summer long. I'm actually really happy about this. This is the Scunchie brand, Elastics, no damage for thick hair. Now these are probably a little bit bigger than I would need, but I'll use them. I'll just fold them over one extra time, you know what I mean? My hair used to be thick before I had kids, and then they robbed me of my thickness. Anyhow, the Conair Thick Hair Elastics, it's soft, metal-free elastics, keep your hair in place and are even gentler on strands. And like I said, I love these things. The ones with no like little metal clasps or anything. I love them. I wear them all summer long when I go to the pool. All right, let's go ahead and get this one out. I've never seen anything like this before. This is Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink Gel. I'll be reading that here in 1 second. All right. So this is flaxseed elongating curling gel. The mixture of flaxseed, shea butter, and olive oil provides tresses with nourishing omega-3 fatty acids that keep curls bouncy and frizz-free. And there's a trick when applying hair gel. Avoid raking hands through hair. Instead, rub gel between palms, flip over hair, then lightly scrunch upward to keep curls intact. That's how I usually put on hair gel or mousse. I can't really run my fingers through my hair anyway. So anyway, I will give that a try. That I really like because like I said, I've got quite curly hair. So I will give that a try. All right, and the last thing in here is probably something I will actually put in a giveaway. This is from Secret. It's a clinical strength, soft, solid, light, and fresh. I've said on here before, I don't really use antiperspirants, but here's the package. And before I gave up antiperspirants, I did used to wear Secret. I actually wore Secret and Lady Speed Stick kind of interchangeably. But there it is. Just looks like a regular applicator. But I don't wear them because I break out if I wear antiperspirants. I don't know why. I just do. So the write-up on this one, this is the Secret Clinical Soft, Solid, Light, and Fresh. Skin conditioners provide 4 times protection from stress sweat, working to absorb odor while releasing a fresh scent that keeps you smelling clean and feeling dry. The hint here, to get the most out of antiperspirant, make sure to shave and wash underarms before applying so formula can get directly to the source of sweat and odor. there you go. All right, so in this box, we've got the Don't Shrink Gel, the Secret Clinical Strength, the shampoo and the conditioner, which are 1.7 ounces each, the leave-in repair cream, and the daily hydrating leave-in treatment. So I'm not disappointed with this box either, guys. This is a pretty good box as well. So, oh, I forgot the hair ties as well. So this is actually a really good box as well. Both boxes had 7 items in it. They're $7 a piece. They both have $3 off coupons. So I really believe that the Target box is a really good deal. Usually they're the first Monday of the month, but this month, July, it actually didn't hit until the second Monday because July 1st was the Monday. I think it was the first. Maybe it was the second. I think it was the first. July 2nd, because 4th of July was on a Wednesday. So July 2nd was the Monday, but it didn't actually hit until the 9th this month. But I know they do sell out pretty quickly, typically. Yeah. So if you want them, make sure you're looking like first thing in the morning on the first Monday of the month. They used to post them like the 4th or 5th of the month, going by calendar day. And then like 2 or 3 months ago, they changed it up, and now they're posting it on the first Monday. So there you go. Anyhow, I do hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up down below. If you haven't already and you would like to be, please hit that red subscribe button, and don't forget to hit that little bell to notify you when I do upload new videos. And if you have any comments, leave those in the comment section down below as well. I do read and respond to a lot of comments. I started getting back to them right after vacation here. I still have several that I have to go back and respond to though. But anyway, I do try. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next Epic Beauty Fail. Bye.